morning students. How are you all? Hope you all are fine. I am Miss Gurmeet Kaur from Vidya Bal Bhavan Public School. We'll be studying social science. Okay. Now, before starting the topic, I will like to ask you one question. You people might have seen a world map. Yes, you have. In the world map, you have seen wide the bigger portions, the larger parts. Rather than countries, you can see the large portions in the world map. Can any one of you tell me what are those large portions? What are those large parts? Can any one of you tell me? Think. Now, this is the question. That in a world map, we can easily locate seven large parts, seven large portions. Now, what are they? That is the question. Let us study. Yes, so the topic for today is what are continents. As I told you earlier regarding the large portions, the large parts. Now those large portions, those large parts of the map are nothing else but they are called as continents. What are they called as? Continents. You might have recalled now. Those seven large parts are called continents. Let us study. Now what is a continent? The definition of the continent is one of the seven large land masses on the Earth's surface, surrounded or mainly surrounded by sea and usually consisting of many countries. One more time. One of the seven large land masses on the Earth's surface, surrounded or mainly surrounded by sea and usually consisting of many countries. Now, let us understand. The first thing that they are telling you about the continent is that it is a large land mass. Now, what is a land mass? Land mass basically means a large area of a land, a large surface of land. So, continent is one more thing that you need to know is we have seven continents. We have seven continents because of which it is written one of the seven large landmass. So first of all, we have seven continents. Now we will understand the definition of continent. So it is the large landmass, the large land surface surrounded by the sea and consists of many countries. The first point, that is, it is a large landmass, then it is surrounded by sea, and then it consists of many countries. Then comes continent. A continent is one of the Earth's seven main divisions of land. As I told you earlier, seven main continents are there, so seven divisions are there, seven parts are there. The continents are from largest to smallest. There are small continents also and there are large continents also. When geographers identify a continent, they usually include all the islands associated with it. Whenever geographers are identifying a continent, or they used to identify the earlier point of time, at that point of time also, whenever they used to consider a continent, they also used to include the islands that were around the continent, that associated the continent, that was around the continent. Now, how many continents do we have? As I told you earlier, we have seven main continents. They are Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Antarctica, Europe and Australia. The very first continent that we have is Asia. It is the world's largest continent. Now we will discuss about some facts of these continents one by one. We will discuss about Asia, we will discuss about Africa, some main important facts regarding them. So, Asia is the world's largest continent. The climate of Asia varies according to the location and physical geography. The climate of Asia basically depends upon the physical geography, upon the geography of a particular area. Then it is a most populated continent. Most populated continent means that there is a high amount of population in this continent. The plant life of Asia is wide and varied and differs according to the climatic region. Now when we talk about the plant life, then that plant life differs. There is a difference in that plant life because of the climate. If the climate is good, plant life will exist. If the climate is not suitable, not favorable or is not good, the plant life will not exist. The next point, the wildlife. The wildlife basically relates with the animals, the existence of animals. So the existence of animals in Asia, again, similar like plant life, depends on the climate. as the plant life was depending upon climate. When the climate is favorable, plant life is there. Similarly, when the climate is favorable, the animal life will also be there. And if the climate is not favorable, plant life will not be there and animal life will also not be there. This was about Asia. Let us see Asia in the world map. You can see Asia is located here. In the world map, Asia is located here. Now you have Africa. Some facts about Africa. It is the second largest continent in size. After Asia, it is the second largest continent. It is the second largest continent in population also. In population also, some countries situated in the continent are, some examples have been given like Libya, Chad, Mali. These are some countries that are located in this continent only. The Sahara Desert in Africa is the largest hot desert in the world. The Sahara Desert, you all are aware, is the biggest desert, largest hot desert in the world, is located in Africa only. Let us see Africa on a world map. Now Africa on a world map. Africa is located here. Africa is located here. Then comes North America. Some facts about North America. It is the third largest continent. It is the third largest continent. It was discovered by Columbus in 1492 AD. It was discovered by Columbus in 1492 AD. The North American wildlife was once abundant, but due to inhabitation, numbers have decreased. Now, there's a very important fact that in North America, the wildlife, the animal life, wildlife is the animal life, that in North America, there was a time when there was a huge amount of wildlife, a huge amount of animal life. But due to inhabitation means when in a particular area, people start living, humans start living, that particular area is said as that it has inhabitation. Why? Because people are living there. So North America wildlife was once abundant, but when people started living there, the wildlife numbers got decreased. Might be due to hunting. The major reason can be hunting, or there are many other reasons like deforestation, because of which the numbers got decreased. Now, the North America on a world map, you can see North America in the world map. Now comes South America. It is the fourth largest continent of the world. Some facts about South America, let us study. It is the fourth largest continent of the world. It contains less than 12% of the world population. If we calculate the total world population, then in that proportion, it is less than 12%. The second largest river of the world, Amazon, runs through South America only. The second largest river, Amazon, runs through South America only. Let us see South America on the world map. South America is located here. Then comes Antarctica. Some facts about Antarctica. Antarctica is fifth in size among the world's continents. It is fifth in size among the world's continents. It has the number fifth. Its landmass is covered by vast ice sheet. That is the biggest important feature of Antarctica, that it is a cold place and its landmass is covered by ice sheet. Let us see. You can see in the picture, in the photograph, that it is covered by large ice sheet. So you can see Antarctica in the world map. This entire southern part, this entire portion is Antarctica. Then comes Europe. Some facts about Europe. It is the second smallest of the world's continents. Second smallest continent. Greenland is the largest island in Europe and the world. If we talk about the islands, then Greenland is the largest island in Europe and in the world too. It is the continent with highest population density. There is a huge amount of population in this continent. Mount Elbrus is the highest mountain which is present in Europe only. Mount Elbrus is the highest mountain present in Europe. These were some facts regarding Europe. Let us see Europe on a world map. Here is Europe. Europe is located here in the world map. Then comes Australia. It is the smallest continent. It is the smallest continent. It is an island continent surrounded by the Indian Ocean and the Pacific Ocean. It is a continent which is surrounded by, it is an island continent which is surrounded by the Indian Ocean and the Pacific Ocean. Island continent means because the islands surround the continent. It is the sixth largest country in the world. When we talk about the size of the country, then it becomes sixth largest in the world. Now let's see Australia in the world map. Here is Australia. Here is Australia. Australia is located here in the world map. Okay, let us have a revision. A quick revision. We discussed about continents. Continent is among the 7 large landmass on the earth's surface which is surrounded by sea and consists of many countries. Then it is one of the earth's 7 main divisions. The continents are from largest to smallest. We will just discuss the main points in the revision. The names of the continents are Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Antarctica, Europe and Australia. Then you have Asia, the world's largest continent. Let us see Asia in the map. Here is Asia. Then you have Africa, which is the second largest continent in size. Let us see on map. Here is Africa. We are just taking an overview in the revision. North America, the third largest continent. Let us see. North America. Then comes South America, the fourth largest continent. South America. Antarctica, fifth in size. This is Antarctica covered by the ice sheet. Located here in the world map. Here is Antarctica. Then comes Europe, the second smallest of the world's continents. Let us see. Europe. Then comes Australia, the smallest continent, located here. Hope these concepts were clear to you. Do revise properly. Stay safe. Stay safe from coronavirus. Stay happy and please save environment.